Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find your Wi-Fi password in Windows 8 or Windows 8.1. So this is your Windows 8 desktop, and here on the right hand side you will be able to find this internet access icon or Wi-Fi icon here. You just need to right click this icon. So right click and open network and sharing center. So select this option, open network and sharing center. So once you click this, it's going to open your network and sharing center. And in here, you will be able to see your Wi-Fi connection, right? So what you need to do is you need to select your Wi-Fi connection from here. And in here, in your Wi-Fi status, you just need to go to wireless properties. So just click wireless properties here. And in wireless properties, there are two tabs here, connection and security. So you need to go to security here. And in here, you will be able to find out your password. So here is the security type, encryption, and then here is the network security key. So you can watch this by checking this show characters here. So once you check this, you will be able to see your password for your Wi-Fi. So in this way you can find out your Wi-Fi password in Windows 8 or Windows 8.1. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.